Welcome back. So now let's continue building up our form elements and adding more elements into it. At some point, when I think maybe when you're filling form online or if you try to do something like that, you see that you're provided with the options where you need to select just one thing, maybe like a quiz, for instance. So we could just demo something like that. So how do we give people someone options and we require them to just take one answer from that? So let's just use this for educational purpose and build a quiz option. So what do we need to do? We use radio buttons. So radio buttons give us the ability to be able to give users a lot of options and require them to just pick one thing out of that option. So how do you do it? Then we can have a label. Self. This one have to be closed here, and we have this here. So then we are going to have an input here. We have an input like self closing. So now you see when I type input, it automatically give me a text button or something. So I need to add a type to it. So and the type here, the type attribute need to be radio. So then this label needs to have something. So maybe I'll just say A for this option. And so the trick is this. This label is attached to this. Then what we need to do is let me just copy this for save time so that I don't just keep typing stuff. Then this is gonna be B, and then this is gonna be C. Let's work with three options, and then what you're going to notice is this: when I click on this, it's click. When I click on this, it's click. When I click on this, it's click. So that is not the behavior we want. So how can we enforce this behavior that we can connect all these three things together? That is where the name attribute comes in. So we say name equal we say options. So we just added to each of them options, options. So now we just add everything together, as you can see. So they have the same name. Because of they have the same name, that means they are related. They are grouped together. They are one same. So there's a group uh, radio buttons. Then we can click just A, or just B, or just C, and we just created a quiz form. So you say this is so cool. So and that's how you create a form. And imagine if you are creating a quiz hub or things like that. This is super useful, and that is how you do it. So you can take time and practice and create more for things or add more options to it and things like that. And I will see you in the next class.